Hello and welcome to Bert's Imperfect Bakes, a channel where it's okay to not bake perfectly every time. I'm Bert and this week, I know I'm no good at brownies, but I'm going to attempt sweet potato protein brownies. So first of all we have to magically produce some sweet potato mash. Ta-da! Cook potatoes in the oven for about half an hour on 200 and then mash them once they're done. And then we need to magically melt some chocolate and butter. Ta-da! And then once that's done, mix that up. So these are the preparation items you need first of all. That's all nicely melted and then we can actually start. So we'll get our mashed sweet potato, pop that into a mixing bowl, and then we're going to add some light brown sugar. Mix that all together. And then we're going to throw in some melted chocolate and butter. Give that a nice mix. So it's all combined, like so. And then once that's done, we're going to add some whisked up eggs. But we're only going to add them very slowly, one at a time, well, a bit at a time rather. And then mix because we don't want scrambled chocolate sweet potato mixture. That wouldn't be very good at all. A bit at a time, mixing well after each addition until it's all gone. And then we're going to add the dry ingredients, which include some flour and the protein powder and cacao powder, which I've got in that bowl there. Mix it all together. I didn't bother sieving it. And then mix that all together. This is being folded, by the way, but obviously because it's being sped up, it looks like I'm mixing very fast. Just fold it nice and gently. And then add in a dash of vanilla. Mix that in and add some chocolate chips. That's a whole pack, I think it was 100 grams. Mix that in nicely and then pop it into your nicely greased and lined baking tray. Square if you have it. Make sure it's all out the bowl and then spread it out so it's nice and even-ish. Should have used the palette knife really, but we'll go with it. And then pop it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So 170/180 degrees Celsius fan. And there you go. The problem with losing weight, your trousers fall down. Anyway, I digress. So, we have a brownie that's potentially cooked. Let's see if it actually is. It certainly looks like a brownie. It's got a nice cracked top on it. Looks cooked underneath. Moment of truth. It's been cooking on 180 for 25 minutes. Oh, that does look like a brownie. Looks cooked and all. I think cutting in a straight line is a skill that I do not possess. Okie dokie. Let's give it a go. It's cooked. It's just melted chocolate chip, I think. Gooey. Now this is a very good brownie. Considering I'm not the brownie expert, it turned out alright. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have any suggestions for anything you might like me to make in the next episode, please put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. So I'm clearing up my mess from making sweet potato brownies, as you do, and I've just splattered I've just splattered the kitchen vases on the windowsill and the window with water from the wooden spoon. Accidentally, of course, but had to share.